my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you my reviews on this Vega 3-in-1 hair styler. So I'm using this Vega hair styler from past 8 months. So in my recent videos I use this Vega hair styler to style my hair, like for straightening and curling, and a lot of you requested me and asked me to make a demo video of this, like a review kind of video, because a lot of you have a lot of questions that is this good and it is worth to buy or not. So yeah, in this video I'll be covering all your doubts and all your points. So in this video I'll be sharing with you the advantages, disadvantages, and also the demo of this 3-in-1 hair styler at the end. So yeah, stay tuned till the end. And yeah guys, also I wanted to mention that we are very close to hitting 4,000 subscribers on my channel, which I am really grateful. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe. It is totally free and I would love to know you, and please comment down below your name as well. I will give you a shout out as well in my next videos. So yeah, now let's move on to the review part. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with this video. So guys, first of all let me tell you that I have got this hair styler from Amazon. So there is like always a sale going on Amazon. So suppose this hairstyle is for 2000 rupees, so you will get it only for rupees 1200. Like I got it for 1200. So I will provide you the link also in the description box below. If you want, you can check that out as well, because trust me guys, from the price point of view, if you see, like this product is only for rupees 1200 and you're getting 3 stylers, like a straightener, a hair curler, and also a crimper in just 1200 rupees, which is like super affordable. If you calculate it wisely, you will get like one product for 433 rupees, I guess. Like I don't know, my maths is not that good. So if you calculate it, I guess it will be around 433 rupees. So that is like the best deal. So yeah, that is why I got this, to test it out. Does this work nicely or not? And it was also available in like 2 colors, I guess. I got this rose gold one. There was also a black color in that, like a fully black color or gold color. I will mention that as well on the screen, so if you want you can check that as well. So you can see on the box itself it is mentioned that there is a straightener, a hair curler, and also a crimper. And on this side of the box it is also given like it has 2 years of warranty, which is like great. So I have removed this curler from this box. So now let's see how this curler looks and how it works. So you can see guys, like, wait, let me show you. So you can see guys, like the wire is as well like a long wire. So you do not need to stand near the switchboard and do your ironing or curling, because it has got a pretty decent wire length. So it is good. So yeah guys, now you can see this is how it looks. Very sleek design, very nice, and it looks very stylish and very comfortable and very lightweight as well. And also guys, you can use this for traveling as well. You are getting 3 stylers in one, so you can just throw it in your bag and you can take this along with you on travel as well. So it will be like very multi-purpose product. I really liked it. So you can see it has got the ceramic platings inside, both the sides you can see. So let me show you the compartments, like what are the stylers in this. So here you get the curler part, then there is a straightener in between, and lastly on this side it is a crimper. So for crimper, what you need to do, here are these 2 buttons on the side. You can see this button and this button. So you need to just open this and this will open. You need to click this button and this will open. And here you can see is the crimper part. Can you see guys? Yes, here is the crimper part. And also here is this button of on and off. I hope you can see. Here is the button of on and off. So yeah guys, now I have shown you this product. So now let me tell you the advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages which I told you is it is very travel friendly. You are getting 3 like stylers in just one. So it is like very good. And second is from the price point of view, it is the best I can say. And Also, like the advantages is that it has this 360-degree rotating wire as well, so I really liked it. Next, coming to the disadvantages, there are only few disadvantages I feel. Like the first disadvantage is that when you like on this, all the 3 compartments heat up. So for example, if you want to do only crimping part, you will put your hair in this compartment and you will hold it like this, but you cannot hold onto the sides because all the portion, like the curler portion and everything, will heat up. So you can hold this straightener only from here. So this is the biggest disadvantage what I feel like, but this is how it works because logically it is made like that only to fit the 3-in-1 curler, so we cannot complain about that. And also there is no temperature controlling switch as well, so yeah. Second disadvantage is that you need to use like a hairspray after using this styler because it does not last for a really long time. It will only last you for about a day or 2 if you don't wash your hair. But I will suggest you, if you are going for a function like a wedding function or a function, so you need to spray your hair with hairspray after using this styler. That will hold the style a longer time. Now let's move on to the demo part, you guys. Now let me show you how this works. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So yeah, I will see you in next video. Till then, bye.